So in the previous session, we have added this feature of getting the CPU and the battery percentage using our AI assistant. So in this video, we will be adding another feature into our AI assistant. That will be, if you want our AI assistant to tell us some jokes, so it will be able to tell us a joke using this library which I will be using, that is PyJokes. So for that, we need to install it first. So for that, I will use pip install PyJokes. So it will install this library on my system. So I will be using this library to get jokes from the internet. So I will come at the top of my program and I will import this library, which is PyJokes. After that, I will come down before my main function and I will try to create another function for telling us the jokes. So I will create a function and name it as joke. And in this function, what we will do is we will call our speak function. And in that speak function, we want to get the jokes from our PyJoke library. For that, I will add PyJokes dot get underscore joke. So it will fetch some joke from this library and it will return us to this speak function which we have created, and it will speak the joke for us. And after that, I will just save it and move down into our main function. And before, I will add another elif statement here. So I will add elif statement, and in that, if our user says tell me a joke or the command contains a joke word in it, so our AI assistant should check it, and if it is there, so it should call this joke function which we created. So let me just try to save it and see whether this thing is working or not. So let me just try to run it.
Welcome back, sir. The current time is 8 hours 23 minutes and 9 seconds. The current date is 16/5/2020. Good evening, sir. Jarvis at your service. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Jarvis, tell me a joke.
What do you mean 911 is only for emergencies? I've got a merge conflict.
So as you can see, it is able to tell us a joke as well. So that was it for